Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how to change the language settings in the SHEIN app to match your phone's system language on an Android device. This quick tutorial will help you navigate the app settings easily and enjoy a personalized shopping experience. First, open the SHEIN app on your Android mobile device. Next, tap on the Me icon at the bottom. Then, tap on the Settings icon at the top right corner. Then, find and select the Language option in the Settings menu. Finally, choose the option that says Follow the system phone to set the app language according to your phone's system language. That's all there is to it. Now, your SHEIN app will automatically use the language of your Android phone system. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.